Once upon a time, in a twinkling galaxy far away, lived a tiny, bright star named Tomago. Tomago was not like the other stars. She was smaller, but shone brighter than anyone else. Every night, Tomago would brighten up the dark sky with her radiant glow, making the night less scary for all the little creatures down on the planet below. One day, Tomago noticed that her shine was not as bright as usual. She felt a little worried. "Oh dear, what's happening to me?" she thought. She asked the wise old star, Starry, for help. Starry told Tomago that she needed to eat more stardust to regain her shine. Tomago was determined to regain her shine. So, she embarked on a journey to find the stardust. She flew through the galaxy, meeting new friends and learning about different planets. She met a friendly comet named Zippy, who showed her where to find the stardust. They traveled together, laughing and playing along the way. Finally, they reached the Stardust Mountain. It was taller and more beautiful than anything Tomago had ever seen. With a deep breath, Tomago climbed the mountain, collecting stardust as she went. She felt her shine growing stronger with each grain she collected. When she reached the top, she felt a sense of accomplishment. She looked down at the galaxy, her shine now brighter than ever. From that day on, Tomago was the shining star of the sky, filling the night with her warm, radiant glow. And she continued to make the night less scary for all the little creatures down on the planet below. As the sun began to rise, Tomago flew back to her place among the stars, ready to start another day of shining bright. The end.